Hello student, good morning. How are you? I am fine and I hope you are quite well in your home. And I think you are doing hard work in learning and writing your chapters in various subjects. Now we are going to discuss about I am your chemistry teacher. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the chapter third elements, compound and mixtures. Okay. This is TA1 syllabus. TA1 syllabus. Okay. In previous video we discussed about various topics about this chapter. So this is the topic is today's topic. We will discuss about sublimation. Okay, sublimation, and this is activity 4. We are going to discuss about activity 4, but before the discussing about activity 4 we would like to discuss about sublimation. In previous video we already taught what about sublimation. Sublimation is the process the solid substance is directly changed into gas. Okay, solid directly change into gas. Okay, direct change into gas. Clear? Without changing in liquid is called sublimation. Ammonium chloride. Some example of sublimation substances as ammonium chloride, iodine, camphor, etc. Okay. So now, right now we are going to discuss about activity 4. Okay. So aim, we have to write first aim. To separate a mixture of ammonium chloride and common salt. The formula of ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. Okay, the ammonium chloride, this is the formula of ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. And the for common salt you know well, common salt NaCl. Okay, this is common salt we use in kitchen. Okay. Now, aim to separate a mixtures of ammonium chloride and common salt. Now, second required material. Okay, required material. This is your 7th class book. Okay, required material. First, ammonium chloride and common salt. Now, funnel, China dish, stand, burner, cotton. Okay, this is required material or material required for doing this activity. Now, procedure. What is procedure? Procedure is hold the apparatus shown in figure. Please hold the apparatus shown in figure. But procedure is this: we take a China dish and the mixture. We take mixtures of ammonium chloride and common salt mixtures put inside the China dish. Now China dish placed on the burner with the help of this stand. Okay. Now burner is above the burner. China dish placed in the above the burner with the help of this stand, and burner is placed below the China dish. Okay. Now when we heat, first we light the burner with the help of matchstick. When we heat the China dish and inside the ammonium chloride is and common salt are present inside the China dish is also get heated. Now after some time we see that the vapor is forming. When the vapor is formed, or then we placed a funnel in the inverted position, okay, on the China dish. After some time, the ammonium chloride the process of sublimation, ammonium chloride get converted into gas without changing in liquid. So this process is called sublimation, okay. And then after some time it is stored in the inner surface of the funnel. But before this, when the ammonium chloride is vaporized or forming of gas of ammonium chloride, before this we plug cotton on the opening of the inverted funnel. Otherwise, the ammonium chloride is passed through the can be passed through the opening of the funnel inverted. So we have to plug cotton in the opening of the thistle funnel. Now, after some time, the ammonium chloride gas condenses and then is stored in the inner layer of the, it is stored in the inner surface of the funnel, okay. The layer of ammonium chloride is stored in the inner surface of the funnel, okay. This process is called condensation, okay. Gas is directly converted into solid. This process is called condensation, okay. So this is the procedure. And conclusion, what is conclusion? The conclusion is that the ammonium chloride, the common salt remains left in the China dish in this process, okay. So this common salt is not converted into gas. So the conclusion is that, okay, conclusion is that we can separate the mixtures of ammonium chloride and common salt by the help of sublimation. Thank you. And today you have to read this activity by the help of book. Thank you. Take care.